All right, guys, April the 16th, Wednesday, just got to our second job. Just finished our first one, which was in Statham. Oh my goodness, guys, that was a bad wax removal, but it came out great and the client's happy. She said she's gonna use her son's Gmail account to write us a review on Google. So anyway, I just had Tavares just go and wash all the equipment off and also wash the van. So me and Lorenzo just got to our second job. This is actually one of my networking partners, Mitch. Mitch and his dad own a flooring store, and they also install floors. And he has a client that he's working for, and Mitch said, Courtney, I just want to give him a little bonus. I'm just going to have you go over there and just screen and recoat the floors for him. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing. In Covington, Georgia, it's about 5 o'clock. I actually picked up another in-home consultation for Friday in Beaufort, and I'm going to be doing a screen and recoat with 𝐓𝐘𝐒 in Cummings on Friday. So guys, this is a little bit over 500 square feet, screen and recoat, no 𝐓𝐘𝐒, $250 a square foot, so about $12.50. So what we're going to be doing, guys, these are a engineered floor, and my student Lorenzo was telling me he's happy he's doing this job because he sees a lot of these floors back in Maryland. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is this sitting and dining room. We're going to get this floor braided really good around this island. And this floor, one thing I was telling about Lorenzo, he knows this floor cannot be sanded because the veneer is just so thin. We are going to try to add some color back here in front of the refrigerator. The client does know this, you know, we'll do our best, but this is not a full sanding. And then this foyer area right here. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Let Lorenzo start screening. Guys, as you can see, we are getting a great abrasion on this floor. All we want to do is just rough up that top pre-finished coating. Let's slow it down just a little bit, Lorenzo. See that? So all we're doing is just making sure we get a good abrasion so our new coating has something to bond to. There you go. Floors came out great, got a great screening. Now I'm gonna let Lorenzo clean and tack the floors. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Clean and tacking. All right, guys, and after that, we're gonna get the finish down. Got the coating going down. Floors are looking great. Oh, yeah. Nice. All right, guys, stay tuned. Straight ahead. Let's see where the refrigerator. We added that color back.
Yeah, okay. That's like a shadow over there?
Yeah, the shadow, yeah.
Okay. All right. Looking brand new again.
All right. All right, guys. Lorenzo has got the coating going down. Let me step right here. Finish is looking really good. I did tell the client we did go with a satin sheen, so you can see it drying over there. See how it's laying flat? And to me, that satin makes the floors look more natural. That's actually my #1 recommended sheen is satin. And also, let me zoom in right here with the refrigerator. Actually added some color back, actually improved it. Again, didn't make it look brand new because it is water damage and it damaged the veneer, and there's nothing you can do about that. But overall, guys, floors are looking really good. So what we're gonna do, once we get this down, we're gonna go ahead and leave because we got like an hour drive to get. Yep. So we got like an hour drive to get back to Lawrenceville, and Lorenzo is actually flying out in the morning, so he needs to get back to he's flying out by 8:30 in the morning. So all right, guys, well that's gonna do it. Thanks again for watching. I gotta clear my storage, give me some more storage. I actually need a new phone. All right, guys, so you know, once they start making these phones, these new phones every year, my phone is a Galaxy S22 and the 25 is out, and I'm about 3 generations behind. So now I know notice my phone is slowing down. We all know they do that on purpose so you can get a new phone. All right, guys, see you in the next one.